Hi, this is Brett Taylor with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. You're looking at a unique truck that we took on trade. It's a 2002 Ford F-250 regular cab XLT with the legendary 7.3 liter diesel. You can see it's got a nice set of aluminum wheels. Tread life on the tires is probably 60%. F-250 XLT badging, Power Stroke diesel badging. On the exterior of this truck, it's in nice shape. You can see the interior condition, no tears in the seating. It's a non-smoking truck. Carpeting and floor covering for the pickup. A regular cab with the XLT and the diesel. This is a rare bird. If you're looking for a good tow vehicle, inexpensive good tow vehicle, this is an excellent choice. Power windows and locks. Headlamp controls, cruise control on the steering wheel. Automatic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, CD player, air conditioning. See the passenger or the driver's side, rear box side, 4x4 badging, HD trailering package with 7-way lead. Does have a drop-in bed liner in the truck already. Side profile of the vehicle. Coming along the passenger side, looking in the passenger side seating area. Camper style extendable mirrors with lower spotter mirror. Chrome front and rear bumpers. You can view this Ford online at tschevy.com along with all of our inventory, or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for the sales department. Thanks for looking.